It is Saturday, another weekend, another sunny weekend, and time to crack on with some more of the garage. So I've got some upgrades. I have now got myself a gimbal, which you're now on. So hopefully that will make the videoing a little bit better. And I've also got myself a DJI Mini Mic 2. So hopefully the audio will be better too. I'm playing around with those for this recording. So let's see how that all works out. But I've got my materials delivered. Let's go into the garage and see what we're going to be doing today. There's the materials that have all been delivered, and what we've got to do is move all of that lot out of the way, get to the walls and get the framework up and get the plasterboard up. So that is this weekend's job. So we're making good progress. That's the thermal barrier up and the framework up obviously behind it. So now I've just got to lift the first bit of plasterboard into place. I did learn one important thing though. When cutting the thermal barrier, it's probably not best idea to leave things laying on the floor underneath, because that's the power lead to the vacuum cleaner. I wondered what the bang was. It'll be the electrics tripping out. So need to rewire a plug as well. Lesson learnt. And that is that section done. So now start moving everything across and get the next one going. Good morning, it's Sunday and time to crack on with the next part of the garage. As you can see behind me, I've just got this bit and the bit down the end to do. I've finished the bit in the corner, that's all up and done. So everything's in place, and now that I'm using the easy fix, fast fix frame fixings, it's a much quicker job. So I expect to get all of this done today. Let's check in later. So there we have it. So I've never done anything like this before, but as you can see, I've got all of that side done. That side is done. You wouldn't know it because everything's stuck up against that wall just so that it was out of the way. And then this weekend, that wall, and that wall. So all of the walls are now plasterboarded. I just need to get the finishing done and then get them painted. I'm quite happy with how that's turned out.